Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga. If you're looking for a way to send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your device and make sure that you're logged in either with your King account or your Facebook account. Once you're logged into the main home page, tap on the little envelope icon at the top left corner. Here, you will be able to see all of your requests, from friend request to live requests. If you receive a live request from one of your friends, you can then go ahead and tap on the friend's profile, like that. Just select the little square box in front of the person's contact and tap on accept. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send the lives to the contact if you've got any extra. That's how you will be able to give a live to your friend or send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.